Hello, good people. Heish. Si nimekaa sana, but I'm back. Yeah, I'm back with a bang. So guys, it's your girl Bansi Kenya. Yeah, Mlini-miss. Sijui kama mmeni-miss, but I'm here guys. If you are a new subscriber, tafadhali click that button, that red button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Let's Hype channel. This is where we hype, this is where we vibe. And to my fans, when you wamekuwa like, come back, where are you? I'm here. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So guys, it's a weekend. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the weekend. So today, I want us to talk about something. Let's talk about, nasikia siku hizi watu wakisema stay Taliban, Taliban, and that means ukae mgumu. So stay Taliban. So today, I was just thinking, what about we talk about healing our inner child. Yeah, najua unashangaa nini hiyo. So unashangaa kama uko na mtoto, hapana, it doesn't mean hivyo. But healing your inner child. Kila mtu, every human being has an inner child. Ako na yule mtoto mwenye ako ndani yake. Mwenye sometimes unapata craving, unataka chocolate. Yeah, mwenye anafeel leo nataka nyama. That inner child. So we want to heal our inner child because our inner child reflects our actions. They reflect how we do our things. Because huyo mtoto mwenye ako ndani yako, sometimes they speak. So guys, kama tumesema healing your inner child, it's the past. That inner child, that child that is in you, even it's not the past. Ako katoto kenye kako inside you. And that inner child is being reflected through your actions. So guys, our inner child sometimes inaweza kuwa affected by rejection. Maybe you are rejected by your family members. Maybe you are oppressed. There are some people when you wamepitia through rape cases. So, ama gender violence. Maybe you grew up in a family where there was violence. As you grew up ukadhani, that is the way a family should stay. Maybe you feel inferior because somebody body shamed you. Akasema, wewe bansi unakaa aje sasa? They made you feel you are ugly. Unakaa vibaya. They made your self-esteem ikuwe chini. I don't know your inner child iko na disease gani. I don't know. But maybe it feels weak. It feels like it's below standards. Hadi watu wakiongea una feel kwa familia, I should not say something. You feel inferior or something. I don't know. But let's heal our... So guys, we are talking about that inner child that makes you feel like shouting. That inner child that cries at night bila mtu anakuona. That inner child yenye ina makingi uongee vibaya without even realizing you are rude. That inner child that makes you escape from facing some things. That is the inner child we are talking about. Yenye when you just alone, it haunts you. That's the inner child we are talking about, ladies and gentlemen. And we have to heal that inner child for us to survive. For us to be happy. Lazima tu heal huyo mtoto. So guys, we all know huwezi heal kitu kama ujui kuna nini, kuna shida gani. That's why the first thing when you go to a doctor, anakuuliza wewe ni mgonjwa wapi, then carries out some test ili akupe dawa. So it's the same here. You have to know what your inner child is going through or has went through all along. Na ukijua what is affecting your inner child, then you'll know how to heal it. So we are here to heal our inner child. Now the first thing ujiulize, uridhika na handle how? Because what happened? Maybe ukisikia maybe ile nini silence ya ambulance or something. Unashtukanga. Ama ukiona kitu fulani, it brings a picture in your mind. Ukiona ice cream, you want to crave for it. If you see Big Daddy, unataka kukula hiyo Big Daddy kwa sababu maybe ulinyimwa Big Daddy ukiwa mdogo. So your inner child desires kukula sweet. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what your inner child has went through. So when you kai ujiulize inner child yangu imesuffer through what? Ni breakups. I've been hurt before. That sayadi siwezi jipea a chance to love. Is that what your inner child is going through? Ukirealize the problem of ama the disease that your inner child is suffering, then tunaweza tibu child. So one thing ni acceptance. You accept. Nobody chooses where they were born, the family where they were born, the environment. Au kuchagua. Juu kama maybe ningeulizwa nataka kuzaliwa wapi. ningesema another country, si ndio? Wacha Kanairo. Ama ningesema Kanairo in an estate or something. So first accept, because you didn't choose uzaliwe huko. You didn't choose your environment as you grew up. You did not choose the school yenye utaenda. So accept. If the inner child was affected in that environment, kubali. It happened. The next thing is realizing your value. Realize your value. Your inner child was hurt that time. Ulienda kwa neighbor ukanyimwa chapo. That was then. But now, can you work and cook chapos ama own a company yenye ina produce flour? So realize your goal. Realize your potential. Were you body shamed? Be proud of venye unakaa. Sometimes yangalia kwa mirror and you're like, hey, girl, you're damn pretty. So appreciate. No, realize your value. That is one thing. The third thing, appreciate yourself. Appreciate yourself. Sometimes just even the small achievements. Ziangalie tu hivyo useme, nime move from A to B. Congratulations to me. You don't need others to appreciate you or to congratulate you. Jicongratulate we mwenyewe. Appreciate yourself. In that way, your inner child itapona. And the moment you appreciate yourself, it's a healing process for that child mwenye amekuwa oppressed, who was never appreciated. Our inner child. Because our inner child reflects our actions. The thing that you can do to heal your inner child is take care of others. Yeah, take care of others. By that we mean, kama in your childhood uki grow up, you are rejected, ulitreatiwa vibaya, maybe ulilelewa na maybe foster parents, and then okay, like your inner child was oppressed, ama uliraiziwa in a way that you think it was not the best way. So the best thing to heal that inner child ni taking care of others. Enda kwa children homes, give services, free services, help the needy out there. Anytime ukipata chance ya kusaidia mtu, you'll be healing that inner child yako yenye ilihatiwa. So guys, yeah, take care of others. Kwa churches, kwa schools, hadi si lazima ikuwe place yenye inaonekana. You can just meet somebody and then they need your help. Lend your help to them. That way your inner child ita heal. Then another thing that you can do is take yourself out. Jipeleke out, jinais. Kama unapenda ice cream, kula ice cream. Kama ni ice pop, take it. If it's a soda, just take it. Take yourself out. Take time to refresh. Take time to kuji-appreciate by taking yourself out. In that way, your inner child ita feel imepona. And another thing is give a chance to love. Mnasema unakaa Taliban. Unakaa Taliban aje? Penda na upendwe. Okay, stay in Taliban. Maybe kwa where you feel you're forcing things, but give yourself a chance to love. Give yourself a chance to be loved back. Usifike yule mtu mwenye you don't want to express your feelings because ile inner child yako it feels unloved. Therefore you don't want to express yourself. You don't want to say, hey there, crushie, nimekupenda. So get the courage. Give yourself a chance to love. Give yourself a chance to be loved back. That way your inner child will be healed. So yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you have learned something. Share with your friends. Yeah, let's heal our inner child because they reflect who we are today. My inner child reflects how I behave. So if I grew up in an environment that was not good, I will reflect that if I don't take precaution to heal that inner child. And another thing is pray. You know, prayers is now working everywhere. That's why we say whenever our names are mentioned in the universe, let the grace of God speak on our behalf because we believe. So pray for your inner child. Pray that God may heal your inner child, may give you a second chance to elevate that inner child. So guys, mimi nilikuwa nimewamiss. Hope you have learned something. Yeah, please share with your friends. Yeah, share with your friends. Knowledge is power. And then also kindly subscribe to my channel. Unajua nawapenda. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you next time. It's your girl Bansi Kenywa.